Hello, darling. I'm thrilled you're here. Let me tell you my story. But don't just listen. Imagine every moment, every sound, and every scene as I describe them. Picture it in your mind, and the magic will come alive. Are you ready? Let's begin. I was born in Zanzibar in 1946. Zanzibar, yes, it's as exotic as it sounds. My name wasn't always Freddie. I came into this world as Farah Bolsara, a shy boy with big dreams and teeth to match. But even then, I knew I wasn't like the others. Music found me early. I discovered my love for piano as a child and never let go. Oh, and cats. I mustn't forget them. They were my companions, my confidants. Later in life, I even wrote songs inspired by my feline friends. When I was a teenager, my family moved to England. It was a chance to reinvent myself. I studied art and graphic design, but music was my true passion. Soon, I met 3 incredible musicians, and together we formed a band. Not just any band. We were Queen. Bold, majestic, unforgettable, just like our music. Our early days were all about experimenting. We wanted to create something epic, something that pushed the boundaries of rock. Our first albums had gems like Killer Queen, a playful, theatrical tune that made people take notice. And then came Bohemian Rhapsody. What can I say about that masterpiece? It's 6 minutes of opera, rock, and pure drama. At first, the record label thought it was too long and strange. But when it hit the airwaves, it became legendary. Then there's We Will Rock You and We Are the Champions. Do you know how it feels to have thousands of people stomp and clap in unison to your music? It's electric. Those songs became anthems, uniting fans around the world. Our discography grew with hits like Somebody to Love, where I poured my heart out, blending gospel and rock. Don't Stop Me Now was my anthem of joy and freedom, a celebration of living life to the fullest. And of course, Radio Gaga had audiences clapping in perfect rhythm. One of the most unforgettable moments of my life was performing in Brazil at the Maracanã Stadium. Over 200,000 people came to see us. The energy was incredible, a sea of fans singing every word under the stars. It was one of the biggest shows in history, and I felt like royalty. But life wasn't all glitter and glory. Behind the stage, I had my struggles. I could be demanding, always chasing perfection. I partied hard, sometimes too hard. My personal life was chaotic, and I often felt alone despite the adoration of millions. Then came my greatest challenge. In the 1980s, I was diagnosed with a serious illness. At the time, the world didn't understand it, and there was so much fear. But I refused to let it define me. Even as my body weakened, my voice stayed strong. I recorded songs like The Show Must Go On, knowing it might be my final message to the world. Here are some fun facts about me. I had a 4-octave vocal range. That's why my voice could soar from soft whispers to powerful high notes. I designed Queen's logo. It includes zodiac signs for all the band members, 2 lions, a crab, and a fairy. I adored opera and even recorded an album with a famous opera singer, Montserrat Cabal. My love for cats was so strong that I called them on the phone when I was away on tour. Thank you for listening, darling. Life is short, so take risks, be yourself, and never stop dreaming. And remember, the show must go on. Follow the channel and subscribe. There are still many talented people whose stories you might enjoy learning about. All the best.